Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember that if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. In the run-up to the 2016 Brexit referendum here in the UK, my elderly father started becoming more and more radicalised. Already in his 80s by this point, his world had shrunk a little bit. He'd stopped getting out, he didn't meet as many people as he used to. And the main information he got about the world came from the TV and from extreme right-wing newspapers like the Daily Mail, which had been whipping up anti-EU sentiment for many years. One of the hardest things for me to get my head round was the fact that before then my dad had been broadly pro-Europe. He had lots of friends in Germany and the Netherlands. He'd been on holiday to Spain. His oldest mate was a Hungarian guy who came over in '56. But suddenly, overnight almost, he started blaming all of the country's problems on immigrants and on Europe. Now, as some of you may know, I'm married to an immigrant. My wife is Indonesian originally. And after a while, I got fed up of taking my children down to meet my dad, to have them listen to him moaning about immigrants. We ended up having a huge row about all of this one day, and then we fell out. We basically fell out about Brexit. We had this huge disagreement, and then we stopped talking for quite some time, actually, in my particular case. If you fall out with someone, you basically have a big disagreement with them, maybe a row with them, maybe there's some screaming and shouting, and after that you stop talking. Maybe you cut them out of your life entirely. Or maybe at some future point you manage to make up. Now, of course, there are lots of different things you can fall out about. Probably the most common are you fall out about politics, or you fall out about money. Maybe you lend someone some money and they never pay you back and you have a big argument about it and you stop talking. Or maybe you realise that people that you had thought of as friends have political opinions so absolutely diametrically opposed to your own that you're no longer able to be friends with them. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use fall out.